everybody, welcome and welcome back to another video. It is Sunday. Alexa, what day it is?
Today is Sunday, March 24th, 2024 in Jamaica.
Sunday, March 20, whatever I'm just saying, 24th, 2024, and we're going to church. So, backstory behind us going to church. I'm late. So you see the move up and down, it means I am extremely late to go to church. So I'm just being, the ride was come at 9:30. So backstory behind why I get up this morning. Well, why I get up last night and just feel the need to go to church. But don't pick out no clothes, no nothing, and the chances of me put on makeup are slim to none. Slim to none. So but there last night I was under excruciating pain, like my vomit, my everything, and I just decided to say I'm going to church. So I text my co-worker. I remember them talking about going to church. So I text my co-worker and I say, "When you still go to church?" And they say, "I don't know because I say I want to go to church." And I say, "Alright, I'm gonna see what I can do." And message me this morning. Now I get up this morning and I forgot completely about going to church. I came late and they are chat. So I forgot completely about going to church. I see the message come in and say, "Hey, pick up 9:30 because we haven't done this in a while and blah blah blah." So I say, "Alright." I did start wash. So I hang out the set of clothes there. I run go to wholesale. Come back. Yeah, I do a whole heap of things I could have vlogged, but I didn't. I run go to wholesale and come back. Wholesale right, so by the way. I'm going to wholesale and come back, try put in the next load, which we never end up getting finished. It kind of look like it's going to rain still, so God knows what he's doing. And say, alright, we are going to get ready for God church. Now it is 8 something till the time. Till the time. It's 8:44, so that gives me 44 minutes to get ready. No? 30. Yeah, 45 minutes to get ready. I think I can do it because I'm not put on the makeup. I'm going to catch up my hair in a one. You know, church we go. You want a nice little sophisticated look. Dove is the deodorant that I feel like I eat this. I used to use this before. Never did so happy with it, but music I never left the white mark them, but I'm in love with this, so this is it. This is a new it until we find a different it, and I'm sure you guys will be here for that. So yeah. So anyways, we don't have time for all of the talking. So we'll go to church, come home, cook, and finish wash. That's the plan for today. Now, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to click the link down below. Subscribe to the what? Go again. If you are new to the channel, please ensure that you click the subscribe button, like, follow, and share with your friends. Returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel. And we're gonna get ready and we're gonna link on up back. Church is all the way in Clarendon, by the way. So we're going to church in Clarendon. Yo, outside light, do it for me. Yeah, we're going to church all the way in Clarendon. Need to figure out where we're going. I kind of have an idea, but we're not sure if it's going to fit because get big. So if we go through all of the draw them, see all of the clothes them right now. I'm telling you, I'm sure no what's happening right now. This is the condition of the room. These are the fancy clothes, the two fancy clothes draw them open, and the bed. This is the condition of where me are going to wear and I do no where me are wear. So this I'm thinking this top. Because it's nice, it's a nice top and I've never worn it, but I don't know which skirt that I think look good with it are white, and you know a church where I go and people sitting up on the bench them. Nah, judging about church, but the white it's not looking so safe. Not all it not looks so safe. So we're gonna figure it out and come back. Now the makeup. So I could figure out where I wear, catch up the ear, I'm catching the back of the machine downstairs I run to. God please give me time. Just tell the time so I can fix the house before I leave. Come on, like if house dirty. But yeah, bye guys. So we're back. This is a fit. It's a blue top, you know, very nice and classy. Struggles of being a single girly. Guys, what's popping? So this is a fit. Struggle of being a single girly. You can't zip up your back. You have weight on the right for comfort with that. So this is the fit. Brown skirt, blue top, and the black bag and the black heels. The one little black heels on my arm. But that's the fit for what I feel like I try to get away from the sun. So that's the fit. I told you the hair in one. We're not doing much. Let me see if we can go to some length. Yeah, see there. We're not doing much. No makeup, no nothing. We're just going to church. The earrings are from Shein. Get into it. I need for the edges, no sir. The earrings are from Shein. Yeah. Whew. Yeah. So we have to leave at 9:30 because I have to pick up somebody in Kingston at 10. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys the scent of the day. I'm wear this last Friday. I got this for my birthday, by the way. It was late, but we get it. I wear this last Friday. And the man them say I can't come out stronger than them. So I have to put on an extra tattoo before we open at the party. So love that. Love that. So we're gonna mix it with the just a little tat on these guys. The other one a cake. With that. And then then we're gonna get the birthday watch. This is the watch. Second time I'm wearing this. And then I want to show you the highlight of my outfit for today. Something on my teeth. So something blue. Nothing borrowed. So yesterday I was traveling with a friend. I'm gonna teeth this. I have the dupes. But look at it. It's just like a suede finish. Like just take a look. When your teeth are original. Just take a look. When you thief something that is original, just look. I'm not actually the loop still, but one thing with me, when I'm a friend them can I go thief something. I go thief something. Well, I'm not thief it, I'm looking at it and say, hey, I take this. I take this. Probably the last time he picked me up from now and carry me home, but without it, like tell me if the glasses don't make the fit. Does it not? Things like, ooh, you ready for church? Yeah, I'm gonna do my edges. I'm going downstairs, go weird. I need to empty the water away in the machine. Come here, it stopped a while ago. But yeah, this is us. We're leaving out. We're going to Clarendon to church. I'm going to lotion and go downstairs to empty the machine. Let me get this money. What time did you take that from? It's 9:15. You hear the alarm? 9:15. So let me get this money out of my purse. Rotted. I love that purse here. But there's some African machine called one girl broke like dog. I have to travel with the ID and the monies. Put them in my bag. But the one carry bigger bag, come on carry the camera. What can I say? Church people but this is the bag. I'm just gonna wear it with the bag here. So I can't hold another bag. The good thing is I'm getting a drive. So This is fit. Bye guys. I'll catch you when I'm leaving out. Not me, ready for 9:36, and then the drive takes and say 10 o'clock. So you are going, take our shirt here and go hang out. Them close there. That's one. And at least get one some our family. So I'm gonna come up and just have one load of clothes to wash. And yeah, check out the bag. Come on, business page. Why am I saying push this for morning? It's not good. Check out my business page, guys. It's Unapologetic Essentials for the bags. See how cute this is? Cute. Yeah, so my hat I bun up, and this is a long sleeve. So I'm gonna zip this down right now. Take it off. I'm going to close them up, man. Bye boy. Nah, glue in the camera. Nah, glue. And a weird thing. Nah, glue camera. You do it. Just imagine, left me out from where clearing done and the shoes pop out. I'm showing the condition of my foot. This probably can't go use for the music copyright. Donuts. Him can't love me now. When him try. Love me like food. Alright, go and exalt yourself for the vlog. I just listen. I better what I do. But I feel like I was weird. Nasty. What?
She said, "Oh, your sister." Okay, y'all, it's so hot. I don't know why I chose to wear long sleeves and leggings and a jacket and boots. But hot. I'm like overheating. So today's Saturday.
Several days later.
What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to another portion of the video. It's Easter weekend and we are in Uche. We're not staying the week, we're just here for the day. We reached at the event but we're hungry. I get food and the food at the party has some little finger something. Yes guys, so we're inside the event. Ashley, yeah, we're in the event. Let me tell you about this event. Like, we got ready in 30 minutes. Like, you just get the call or F and we just decide say we are go the road. So this is us, this is me, this is the fit. I change the top because the way the top for wear while I'm outside. Where we going? You don't see me vlogging? You have the picture expert here.
You still got the picture inside.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Seb.
Hey, the up picture they look nice. How would this a message me? I'm showing you the hot girl them. What's poppin', everybody? Welcome and welcome back to another portion of the video. Why am I keep us another portion of the video? Welcome back to the video. So I believe the last time you saw me, I was outside. We were outside in these streets. It is Sunday and the vlog I post this evening, but I'm gonna take you guys cleaning with me because before me get the car to the Fugger Road, I was actually washing and cleaning. I went left out Fugger Road, me know, blah blah blah. Come for me in the comments, let me come back for you, please. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the condition of what I left yesterday as a full-time mother. Half a day with it, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Well, the kitchen bad, but the rest of the house is not so bad. So we're going to look at cleaning and then we're going to end the vlog because I have no other plans. Well, I have some promotional videos to do. That's the next thing. I have like 5 promotional videos to do. None to do. Like 2 due 12 o'clock today. Ooh, those are going to be late. I'm not even capping. Those are going to be like 5 o'clock today. Anyways. Alright guys, so the camera, it died. So plug it in for charge just a little bit. So now I'm going to show you I'm going to show you how I left the house yesterday. And we're going to clean. We're going to just clean. It is 8 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. I go clean, so yeah, see it here. So it's the living room. So the clothes I need to fold up the first batch. The first batch, and then we move to the clothes that we need for wash. One at the bathroom now, and if we can air it, 2 loads basically. And then the kitchen, like, yeah, this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. So right now, let's take out the meat for dinner. Some the dinner meat. Put that right this on. Yeah, empty. So we're going to take out some the dinner meat, rise off it out, and then we are going to tackle this. So let's clean the kitchen while I load the rinse.
what you really are. It's true. I'm excited. I'm so in love with you.
Yo, wicked too. Get some back room together.
I don't know what you really are. It's true. I'm excited.
Yo, wicked too. Get some back room together.
In my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down. Yes, sir. Check. We used to lay up and then stay up, had sex and then blow dank. I shouldn't play no games, but you just left. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different trip. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my plans.
guys, welcome back to the video. So I feel like I've been just a video cooking. I'm gonna tell you what I want. So this is me telling you what's happening. So it's curry chicken, and because my son only eat chicken, it's mad annoying, but all type of chicken I cook. So it's curry chicken and air fried chicken with white rice. Yeah, white rice. I'm tired. I'm still doing the half of my need for though, but just don't wash. Just don't wash. But mommy, I come up and I buy some clothespin because I have no more clothespin and about a portion of clothes for hang out. So I put the clothespin for hang out them there, and yeah, so we're gonna air fry the chicken now. I'm gonna take you guys through that process. We're not gonna say the white rice. Everybody, I'm assuming that everybody knows cook white rice. Put down the curry chicken just now as you saw. So Mike, we go air fry the chicken. I'm not even 12 o'clock yet, by the way, but I'm tired. I am tired, beat. So we're gonna do that, and Moana done vlog all of this as well by 1, so we can edit and post by 4. So that's that. Yeah, remember to like the video, share with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, and just enjoy the vibes. We're going to get into the video right now. I'm sweaty and look awful on camera, but this is what it is. Let's go fry this chicken.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down. Yes, sir. Check. We used to lay up and then stay up, had sex and then blow dank. I shouldn't play no games with you, just left.
Yeah, give me heart attack. Where a sneaker come down here for?
Did you call me?
No, you know me never call it to stop watching me now. Don't cook for now.
Hear somebody there call me.
So listen, I wish I come take some work. Close back your fridge.
Fried chicken, yeah, man.
What that? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Sorry, when you drink up the juice now, I hope you don't say what I drink for you. Move from there. Move. Where you put that down there so far?
So you can
Move it from there, so you don't see me using right there, so. We're not going back upstairs, we need to stay now. I can't know.
about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down. Yes, sir. Check. We used to lay up and then stay up, had sex and then blow dank. I shouldn't play no games with you, just let what happen when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down. Yes, sir. Check. We used to lay up and then stay up, had sex and then blow dank. I shouldn't play no games with you, just let.
Heart speed racing, I've been waiting now. I don't know what you really have been through. I'm excited, I'm so in love.
Yo, wicked, see, there's some background together.
Money have me number.
I made it feel it, it's a something you know ready for. But like a temper, man, you're different than a regular. I would it tell you, say my love, man, I breast river. Look ya, baby, if my tell you, say you are my first love, would you believe? May I forgive it to you, cause you saved me from the streets. But life will be without you, can't begin to imagine. All if you make me doubt you, me just feel me, I'm gonna love you same way. Let's get married, done with the play dates. Next 10 years, do it with the same place. Now I sell you out, this type of love, no exchange. Respect you to the fullest, time, I make you feel no way. But you already know that. Fight for you like the Navy, I'm a little soldier. You give me everything.
What's poppin', guys? It is way in the evening. It's 6. Focus. Now it's the time. It's 6:26 in the afternoon. I'm just done everything that I'm supposed to do. This not edit for today. I'm gonna get this till tomorrow, Monday, Easter Monday. So hi, happy Easter Monday when you're seeing this, guys. I'm gonna get this Easter Monday because I am beat, tired, just beard, and Mummy did come and with a chat and kind of egg out some of the day. Not cap. Kind of egg out some of the day. But the kitchen clean, the house is clean, and by ice cream. Ice cream truck came about, and I bought popsicles for Gia and a punch for me. Let's take a thumbnail picture so that can go up on the thumbnail. And I'm just realizing that tomorrow is the first. Tomorrow is the first of the month. Photo. Yeah, nasty. Yeah, so tomorrow is the first of the month as well. So this is also a reset cleaning. We're here for the first one for the year, here for the second one for the year. We're going good with the videos. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Let me I'm gonna take up the camera for the whole heap of talking, you know, but I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Like, from little, I want a big house, a big car, a whole heap of room, a whole heap of bathroom, and every room have bathroom, and then, you know, downstairs have the little half bathroom and all them something there. But now, 2 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, living room, kitchen. I'm tired. So God bless me with the maid money still. The maid money I gonna come with the house. The maid money I gonna come with the house. But you know, every now and then I want to do a little cleaning, but not every Sunday. Not every Sunday. The maid money I come with the house. And the husband I come with the maid money and the house and all that and the business. Everything I come. Everything is coming. Anyways, back to reality. First portion of the video, you saw me going to church, and I don't know, but just get up the morning and decide to me that I got church. And then let me give you a little recap of what happened at church. Now, but that church, normally when them say all who wanted to be saved should come to the altar, me not go. I don't love that little altar something there. I just feel like I'm easily targeted. So said, so done. Go up at the altar, and I don't know what to call it something there. But the lady pray for me. I mean, I tell her the truth, but I feel it. I feel the prayer, I feel the Holy Ghost, I feel other than something there. And I feel like she told me a few things that I needed to know and I needed to get back to. Because, boy, I've been out in this world. I was out in this world. I've been out in this world, but you know, the dolly can easily fix up the life and, you know, get back to that. So yeah, that was that for the church. The second portion of the video was yesterday. Was it yesterday? Did I try to vlog something before that? Oh, yesterday when we went to the FOF. It's FOF in amazing. Yeah. So I went to FOF yesterday, and some people have said that girl, she's so confused because she got church and then the vlog cut and she got FOF. This is me, I figure it out, and now for us work with me to figure it out. I'm still like outside and all of these things. So we are figure it out. We are figure it out as go along. Remember in the Q&A I told you guys that I didn't really like outside anymore, but let me tell you, Jamaica have 1, 2, 3, 4 party, legit a handful of parties where for you go, you can enjoy yourself. So even if you are not feeling the outside vibe, and FOF are one of them party. There's one of them party there where you go and enjoy yourself, where you come back. And the thing is, whenever they drunk, whenever they intoxicated, they just dip on a nice little buzz, enjoy my little self, come back on my yard. And I come back, I could have do 1 and 2 things before I go to my bed. So I know I never did OD it, and that's the aim. Aim is to not OD it for 2024 and get our things or shit together. I go, yeah, and just, you know, live life as best as we can within the restriction of whatever it is that we're doing. We're not OD it, we're not over drink, we're not over outside, we're not over inside, we're not over indulge. Second portion of the video was me, the third portion of the video was me cleaning, and I'm not used to that and I get that all the time, so there's nothing really for me to explain. But I really want to come on here and talk about church. I'm not going to talk about it in a lot of details, but it really did something to me. Church that day, it really did something to me. It really made me think about my life and how me did I go about it, as well as how me did I think about it and stuff. I feel like I can't stop cleaning. Like I'm still not practice in the kitchen clean. I'm gonna still take up things for put away. Yeah, but yeah, well, we moved, and due to that fact, I have 4 minutes left on this memory card. Due to that fact, we are doing things a little bit different. So you might see some changes in the vlogs, some changes in the dressing, some changes in a lot of things. But stay tuned for that. And take time with me in the comment. Don't come for your girl. She's figuring out life because she still like to touch outside a little bit, and she still like to little bit, and yeah, we are do the damn thing. We are do the damn thing. One thing we're working on again for 2024 is we're trying to curse a lot less. I have a problem with cursing, so we're trying to curse a lot less for 2024. You probably wonder why I must look behind me. I look for my child gone from after one gone ramp. I'm gonna see him back. I'm gonna really want. I forgot to do walk pan right now. I'm tired. But yeah, so we're chilling for 2024. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you say you like the video, share with your friend, them, subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about this video and about stuff that happened in this video. And yeah, I tried to give you a vlog last week. I never worked out, so I combined last week and this week. And then the next video will be my carnival. I don't know if I'm doing carnival prep and carnival, 2 different vlogs, but we'll see. Stay tuned for next week video. I'm so excited about next week video because I wait for carnival from last April and they come back this April. Yeah, that's it for the vlog. When I get it tonight, so tomorrow I'm not even gonna edit. I am going to eat my fudge and watch some other vlogs, and peace. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Later.
That's all, folks.